here I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off or turn on touch sounds on this device. So as you can hear, like when I touch and select any option, I don't know if you can hear it. No, this sound is quite yeah, it's not that loud. I don't know if you can hear it on camera. Something like that. So in order to turn off this sound or turn on, you go to the sounds and vibration, and here you have touch sounds. Just disable it here if you don't like it, or enable it if you're like to hear sound response from everything you do. I don't know. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.